So this video is for any Cricut beginners, or if you've never made a gift tag before. They have such cute ones on Design Space right now, but I found 3 that I really loved. And this is actually the first time I'm making gift tags also, and ever using the pen. I don't know why, it's so amazing. So right now I'm just collecting the 3 tags that I want to use. I really like the cutouts on these. It kind of makes it a little fancier, I think. Okay, so I have the 3. I'm just gonna turn them around so it's easier for me to work with. So there's the 3. At the size they are right now, they're a little large. So I'm gonna change it to 2.5 inches in width for all of them.
I wanna hold you so close. Never ever let go. We'll go walking and play around in the snow.
Okay, and now all you have to do is simply add your text.
We'll watch the sun go down.
So I'm writing Emma.
The moon appear. We'll eat mince pies.
And I try to find a font that matches. And the best way I found to find a font is to go to filter and click writing. And then you'll get all the fonts that are just like, the pens are really thin, or the one I'm using, I think it's 0.4. So when I do a regular font, it creates like an outline around each letter, and that's okay, but it just looks better when it's like a single stroke for all the lines. Then it really looks like it was possibly handwritten, but nicer. So we just simply do this for all of them. This one is for Leah, and I'm just gonna change this font.
It would stop me feeling sad, hurt and blue.
I like to kind of match the name font to the lettering that's already on the tag. And then so easy, just resize it so that it fits between the design that's already there.
Look out your window, baby, where the snow is falling down. There's a thick white blanket covering all of this town.
Just gonna scroll down for a script that matches.
Everyone is inside.
This one really matches. It might even be the same one.
By the table, I keep one empty seat. For you're not here. What can I do? It's another Christmas time.
So once everything looks proportional and the way that you like it, you can select the whole tag and attach. That way the Cricut knows to write it and then cut it out, all on the same tag. Okay, so I do need to change the blue one to the pink color so that it cuts on the same mat. Let's see.
And drink red wine and beer. Then we'll cuddle closer.
How did I do this?
Like we just love to do.
Okay, there, the color shows up.
Baby,
Okay, so they're all pink now.
Time with you.
Make it.
Christmas time with you.
Yeah, that looks good.
Christmas time with you.
I'm gonna go and turn on my Cricut.
I ask Father Christmas now for just one little thing.
Get my paper ready. I'm actually gonna print this on red paper, not pink paper. And it's kind of a textured cardstock. If you can find thick cardstock, I think that would work the best. I just had scrapbooking weight type of cardstock, and it works fine too. And I'm going to use the setting cardstock for intricate cuts. And load my paper. And the pen. I'll insert a photo of what it looks like, especially if you've never done this before. On the left hand part, beside your blade, there's a little, I guess, section for a pen. You just open it, stick the pen in. If you're using a Cricut pen, you have to push it all the way down so it clicks, and that the tip is close to like where the paper would be, and then close it. And then don't worry if it says midnight blue and black, like different color pens. If you're just gonna use black, you can just use black. Even if it says to put the blue pen in, just use black. Okay, so now that that's all set up, we're gonna cut it out, and I'll show you the finished product after. So this is what it looked like when it came out. It took about 5 minutes to print and write everything. I'll turn it over, pull the mat from the paper to prevent curling. So some of it got stuck on this mat. Also, I used a green mat, but it's an old one, so it's not super sticky. It kind of helps with the paper cutting. Cleaning up this piece.
Watch the sun go down, then the moon appear. We'll eat
This one is done.
and drink red
So
wine
cute
and
with the cutouts.
then we'll cuddle
And
closer,
so for
like we just
the string, I just used some of this baker's twine.
oh,
Comes in a
baby,
huge roll.
wanna spend Christmas
And
time
I'm going
with
to
you.
fold it in half, make a loop, stick it in the top,
Christmas time with you.
and then pull it through.
I want Christmas time with you. I ask Father
There we
Christmas
have the
now
present.
for just
Ready to
one
go.
little thing. It's something only angels
Just
can
put it
bring.
under, and then tie a
See
knot.
you walk on in here now through that creaky
It's kind of a big tie, so I like to have it kind of snug to the bow.
couldn't want for
Cut off the excess string.
anymore. It would
And there you have it.
feeling sad.
So cute, so easy with the pen. I can't believe I never used the pen before, but I love
Oh,
it.
baby, wanna
Yeah.
spend
For more
Christmas
ideas,
time.
craft ideas, please subscribe. Thanks.